Have you ever wondered how to make your garden not only beautiful but also delicious? Today, we dive into the world of edible landscaping, a sustainable practice that marries aesthetics with functionality. Stay tuned to learn how you can transform your garden into an edible paradise. Edible landscaping is the practice of incorporating food-producing plants within a decorative or ornamental setting. It's about reimagining your garden space to combine aesthetics with functionality, where fruits, vegetables, and herbs become key design elements. The process of creating an edible landscape can be fun and rewarding. Creating an edible landscape involves a few simple steps. First off, planning is key. You need to consider the sunlight your garden gets, the type of soil you have, and the water needs of your chosen plants. A sunny spot with well-drained soil is often a good starting point. The second step involves choosing the right plants. This is where you consider the climate and space available in your garden, as well as your personal preferences. Do you prefer fruits, vegetables, or herbs? Maybe a mix of all three? The choice is yours. The third and final step involves planting and maintenance. Here you'll need to learn proper planting techniques for each of your chosen plants. After planting, regular watering, weeding, and pruning will keep your plants healthy and productive. With these steps, you can create a garden that feeds both your eyes and your stomach. Edible landscaping is a fantastic way to enjoy the beauty of nature and the taste of fresh produce right from your backyard. It brings together aesthetics and utility, creating a sustainable and rewarding gardening practice. Just remember, start with a plan, pick the right plants, and ensure proper care. Before you know it, you'll have a garden that's both a feast for the eyes and the palate. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks.